Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create and format a text box in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. In order to create a text box in Microsoft Word document, you need to click on Insert tab and then on Text box. See, here you can see different various kinds of text boxes, simple text box, Austen quote. So you can select any one of them. Let's start with simple text box. Okay, so this is the text box. So you can read the description here, grab your reader's attention with a great quote from the document, or use this space to emphasize a key point. To place this text box anywhere on the page, just drag it. Okay, this is how you create a text box. You can drag it anywhere you want. You can even rotate it in any direction you want. So let's make it straight now. So this is it, how to create a text box. Now I'll show you how to format the text box. Select the text box and you need to be in the Format tab. And here you can see different fields, like you can insert shapes, you can style shapes, you can use word art styles, you can align the text and various other formats. So I'll show you important format which is usually used for text boxes. So this is it. This one is for coloring the outline. So here you can see different kinds of colors, and there are many various formats. If you expand this, you'll see different theme styles which you can use for your text box. Okay, so we'll minimize this, and you can even fill the shape with any color you want. You can even use no fill. You can use custom colors as well. Okay, so you can even shape the outlines with whatever colors you want. You can even choose custom colors for the outline. You can even use effects on your shapes. For example, you can use 3D like presets. These are the examples. So you can decide which one you want to go for. You can even use shadow, reflections, and various other shape effects. For the text, you can use word art style, and if you expand this, you can see more options here. Or what you can do is you can create your own option, like you can fill the colors of the text with whatever color you want. You can even fill the outline color of the text, and you can even have effects for your text as well, as we did for the shapes. So here you can see the shadow effect. Wait, let me move the text box a little to the right so you can see the changes. Yeah, see, this is the reflection for the text. You can even use glow effect, bevel, and various other effects on the text. So here you can use the direction as well. You can rotate the text box to 90 degree or 270 degree, or you can keep it normal. You can even align the text at the middle or bottom or at the top, and you can even position the text box anywhere in the document, like on the top left or top middle, top right, or even you can choose any other positions as per your like. You can even wrap the text, and there are various options, but these were the important formatting options for the text box. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. and comment for any doubts or clarifications if you have, and I'll be replying to your comments. Thank you.